Aloha, everybody. This is Gigi from Kauai Community College. Um, this is exam 2 review. Problem 1 has to do with derivatives and related rates in this test. Problem 1 is asking us to first find a derivative, and then in part B, use that derivative to find the slope of the tangent line so that you can figure out the equation of the tangent line. And then part C is asking for the equation of the normal line. Okay, so those are the questions that we need to address. So first, in order to find the derivative of a cube root function, this comes in a chain rule here, right? So the easiest thing to do is to go ahead and think of this function as 9x squared minus 5 to the 1/3. So then the power rule will apply. Okay, now, so in order to take the derivative, we can see that the outside function is something to the 1/3 power. So that the derivative of it is bring the 1/3 down. That's something to the negative 2/3 because 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3. Okay, now the inside function in this case is 9x squared. So that the derivative of that, 9x squared minus 5, that is, and the derivative of that is 18x. Okay, and this right here is evaluated at that input there. Okay, so the derivative in this case is 1/3, okay? 9x squared minus 5 to the negative 2/3 multiplied by the inside derivative, which is 18x. Now, negative exponent can be written as positive exponent down on the denominator. So this derivative is, on the numerator, we would have, and if we think about that for a second, we would see that 18 divided by 3 is 6. So on the numerator, we have 6x, and then on the denominator, we will have cube root of 9x squared minus 5 to the second power. That is what it means to be to the 2/3. That would be cube root, and the exponent is 2. Okay, so that is the derivative. Now, the second question is asking you to find the equation of the tangent line when x is 1. Well, so if we are looking at x is equal to 1, then the derivative evaluated at 1 is, which is the slope of the tangent line at 1, right? That's what we're looking for. And that would be 6 multiplied to 1, all divided by cube root of 9 times 1 squared minus 5. And that is raised to the second power. So on the numerator, we will have 6. On the denominator, we will have cube root of 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Cube root of 16. That leaves us 16 is 8 times 2. And 8 will give me 2, 2, and 2. That's the cube that will come out, and the 2 stays inside. So really, the slope evaluated at 1 is 6 over 2 cube root of 2, which reduced to be 3 over cube root of 2. Okay, most people will ask, do I need to simplify that or do I need to rationalize that? It's up to you how you want to see the solution, but that right there is the slope. Now, in order to find the equation of the line, we will need to know a point in addition to the slope. So when x is 1, then we would say the y value, which is f of 1, is going to be cube root of 9 times 1 squared minus 4. Minus 5. My brain is working faster than my hand can write. So that is cube root of 4. All right. So we have the point 1 cube root of 4. Okay. And the slope is 3 over cube root of 2. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. Y is cube root of 4 equals m is 3 over cube root of 2. X is 1 plus b. So b is going to be cube root of 4 minus 3 over cube root of 2. That is b. Now, if you write that using a common denominator of cube root of 2, then we have to multiply cube root of 4 by cube root of 2, which would give me cube root of 8, which is 2. And then 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So that's how we're going to reduce that. So that is our b. And this is our slope. That means that the equation of the tangent line at x equal to 1 is y equals 3 over cube root of 2x minus 1 over cube root of 2. And that is our final answer. Okay, now, question is asking for the normal line. Well, what is the normal line? The normal line is the line that is perpendicular to the tangent line. Okay, so its slope is going to be opposite reciprocal. Opposite would be positive. Reciprocal of that would be cube root of 2. Okay, so again, my point is still 1 cube root of 4. And my slope is cube root of 2. So y equals mx plus b. Y is cube root of 4. M is cube root of 2. X is 1 plus b. So b is just cube root of 4 minus cube root of 2. And there is nothing you can do about that. So the equation of my normal line is y equals cube root of 2, that's the slope, times x, plus b, which is cube root of 4 minus cube root of 2. Not very nice looking, but the concept is there. So here we go. To find the equation of a tangent line or a normal line, first we need to go ahead and find the slope. And to find the slope, in this case, we have a chain rule, right? So that right there is how we think of the chain rule, having the outside function being something to the third power, and then the inside function is 9x squared minus 5.